Welcome to our channel. If you are over 40 or approaching 40, this video is for you. Today we will talk about cloves and their amazing benefits for your health after 40. Cloves are a spice used in many recipes, but did you know that they have amazing health benefits, especially if you are in your 40s or older? Let's get to know them together. Part 1. What are cloves? Cloves are dried flower buds taken from the clove tree. They are characterized by their strong smell and distinctive flavor that add a wonderful taste to many dishes. But cloves are not just ordinary spices. They contain many healthy compounds such as eugenol, which is a powerful antioxidant. Part 2. Health benefits of cloves after the age of 40. 1. It can help stimulate digestive enzymes, which helps improve digestion and reduce bloating and gas. 2. Strengthening the immune system. Cloves are rich in antioxidants that protect the body from free radicals, thus helping to strengthen the immune system and protect against various diseases that may increase with age. 3. Heart health. Cloves contain compounds that help lower bad cholesterol levels and increase good cholesterol, which improves heart health and reduces the risk of heart disease after the age of 40. 4. Improving blood circulation. Cloves help stimulate blood circulation, which is important for maintaining energy levels and reducing feelings of fatigue and laziness, especially after the age of 40. 5. Supporting bone health. As we age, bones begin to lose density. Cloves contain manganese, calcium, and magnesium, which are important elements for supporting bone health and maintaining their strength. 6. Relieving joint pain. Cloves contain anti-inflammatory properties that help relieve joint and muscle pain that may increase with age. Third paragraph, how to use cloves daily. 1. As clove tea. Boil some cloves in water and drink it warm to improve digestion and strengthen immunity. 2. As a food additive. You can add clove powder to various foods, such as soups and stews. 3. Using clove oil. Clove oil can be used topically to relieve joint pain or added to skincare products. Conclusion: here we have reached the end of the video. Cloves are not just ordinary spices, but a treasure trove of health benefits that can enhance your health and vitality after the age of 40. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all that is new. Thank you for watching,